Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we're going to be making Holy Grail fried rice. This is the best fried rice I've ever tasted, and you can totally make it at home. So in a pretty deep pot, it's like a saute pan, but it's like a deep one. I have 3 tablespoons of butter that I'm just going to melt. And now to this pot, I'm going to add 4 eggs that I just whisked lightly. You can add the eggs straight into here and scramble them. And we're going to cook these until they're well scrambled. Now once they're scrambled, we are going to remove them off the heat. I have a bowl here that I'm going to place all of the eggs in, and then we'll place this back in once we saute the fried rice. Now to the pot, once the eggs are removed, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now into the pot, I added 1 12-ounce bag of mixed vegetables, 1 tablespoon of onion, and just like a pinch of salt and pepper. And I'm going to saute this until the frozen vegetables kind of become sauteed and soft. Now once the veggies are softened, I'm going to add 1 last tablespoon of butter. Let that kind of melt a little bit. And to that, we are going to add, let's melt it just a little bit more. There we go. We're going to add 3 cups of, I have sticky rice here, cold cooked sticky rice, but if you have jasmine rice, that would work great. You want to just make sure it's cold and from the refrigerator. That's when fried rice works best. I'm going to increase the temperature of the stove to medium high. To the rice, I'm going to add roughly 2 tablespoons of reduced sodium soy sauce. Now to this, I'm also going to add about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. That looks good. Mix that really well. You want to work quick at this point because it is on high heat and you don't want anything to burn. I like using 2 utensils to kind of just, if you have a wok, that would be easier to just twist the rice through. You want to mix everything well, make sure all the big chunks are broken up. And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of sesame oil and mix all of this together. And then don't forget, we add our eggs back in. Mix everything well and chop up the eggs. How delicious does that look? It looks so beautiful, and it's full of vegetables. You can add as much or as little vegetables as you want. Oh my god, it smells so good. How fast and easy was that? And you have delicious homemade fried rice right at home. I hope you guys enjoy it. Assalamualaikum.